Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're venturing into the fascinating world of AI-generated artwork. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head over to bing.com. Now, type in AI Image Creator and press Enter. Choose the top link from the list of results. You're now on a page that's straightforward to use. Enter the scene or prompt you want to bring to life in the search box and click on Create button. Give it a moment to work its magic. When it's done, you'll be greeted with stunning visuals like the ones displayed here. Browse through these creations and adjust your initial idea as much as you like. The power is in your hands. As you can see, I make some modification. Again, preview these images and downloading your chosen images is just a matter of clicking. It's incredibly easy to create AI artwork. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching.